Good morning, champions. Today we're going to do something a little bit different for our shared story video. Tomorrow we are going to read Hot Muffins together. But just like we do in class, before we read a new shared story, we go through all of the green words and the red words inside of the front cover in order to be successful when we do read our brand new story. So today, that's what we're going to do. I have the green words and the red words ready for us to rock and roll with, okay? Before we even get into it, I just want to remind you guys about the difference between vowels and consonants, because today in our green words, we're going to see some consonants put together, but they're just trying to trick us because we know they just make one sound. So, our vowels, remember, are A, E, I, O, and U. Can you say that? A, E, I, O, U? There you go. The consonants are all the letters that are not A, E, I, O, U. So, F, is F A, E, I, O, U? No. So when we see two F's together, it's just going to make one sound. When we see two G's together, is a G a part of A, E, I, O, U? Is it a vowel? No. So when we see two G's together, it's just going to make one G sound. When we see two S's together, it's just going to make one S sound. When we see two L's together, and we've seen that before. When we see two L's together, it's just going to make one L sound. So, boys and girls, let's get into the green words for hot muffins. Remember, green means go ahead and sound it out. These are words that we can sound out, no problem for us. Here we go, you guys. Ham. Ooh, like a ham sandwich. Hot. Don't touch that, it's hot. Muffins. I like chocolate chip muffins. What's your favorite kind of muffin? Yum. Oh, okay, hold the phone. In this one, I see an apostrophe S at the end. So this is somebody's name, and then an apostrophe S at the end tells us that whatever comes next is going to belong to this person. So the word is Hanks. That means that the person's name is Hank, and whatever comes next is going to belong to Hanks. If it was Hank's hat, the hat belongs to Hank because of this apostrophe S. So this word is Hanks. Hugged. Remember that ED? It's just like it's past tense. Like I'm not hugging you now, I hugged you yesterday. Rocks. Had. Hat. I like to wear a hat outside. Hut. Maybe you can build a blanket hut out of a bunch of blankets and chairs to watch a cozy movie in. Sell. Would you like to sell me some of your muffins? Hid. She hid because she didn't want anyone to see her. She hid, she was shy. Lots. I like lots of candy. tossed. Remember, we see that ED again. That means I'm not tossing it right now, but I tossed it yesterday. Okay, these are our green words. We could sound them all out because that's the kind of words that they are. Now, it's going to get tricky because we're going to move into our red words. So boys and girls, remember, red words are kind of those trickster words. We can't just sound them out. They're sight words. One trick that we know we can use for sight words is to say, spell, say them. That helps us remember them when we're reading our book. And if we need to write them later in a sentence, we can remember them by say, spell, saying them, how to spell them, then too. So we actually have quite a few red words for our story today. Let's see if we can see it better like that. Okay, so the first one. Ooh, check it out. I see an E at the end. Does it automatically mean it's a magic E? Let's try and see. Okay, so E is going to give the power to who? The I, right? Because I is the vowel. And make I say I instead of it. So this word would be Give. What's give? Have you ever heard the word give before? I haven't. Check it out, boys and girls. The word is give. Give. Now, this is a tricky word because we want to say give like a magic E, like Miss Felici taught us. That's what happens when there's an E in a vowel, but it doesn't work that way. It's a sight word. It says give, and the E just doesn't say anything. So when we say, spell, say this word, we say give. G-I-V-E, give. Let's try it once together. Ready? Give. G-I-V-E, give. Nice job. Okay, the next one is his. H-I-S, his. His jacket has a dinosaur on it. That's so cool. His. I want to try it together. Ready? His. H-I-S, his. Awesome. Our next word is were. W-E-R-E, were. Those were delicious. You were an awesome job. You were doing an awesome job today. Were. The next word is, if you guys remember, where is my marker? Whatever. If you guys remember, we talked about how the A and the R, when they're together, they say R, just like a pirate. You're going to hear that one in this word. The word is hard. Ard. Hard. But we're not going to sound it out in this story. It's a better sight word. So when we say it as a sight word, we say hard. H-A-R-D, hard. But we know that the A and the R together say R. Can you guys try it with me? Here we go. Hard. H-A-R-D, hard. That wasn't even hard. That was easy. The next word, now we see one of those little things. We see an apostrophe. This time, though, it isn't showing that something's belonging. It's actually putting two words into one. This word is I'll. I'll be with you in a minute. I'll be right there. I'll be back tomorrow. It's actually saying I will. I will be with you. I will be back tomorrow, right? So, this apostrophe is actually putting I will together to say I'll. This is just a shorter, easier way to say it. We don't need to say, spell, say this word. You just need to know that I, apostrophe L-L, is Aisle. Aisle. And our very last word, Y-O-U-R spells your. When you say spell say it sounds like this. Your. Y-O-U-R, your. Is that your jacket? Your. Can you guys try it with me? Ready? Your. Y-O-U-R, your. Awesome job, friends. So, those are our red words and our green words for the story, Hot Muffins. Tune in tomorrow to read it with me. Thanks, champions. I love you and I miss you.